Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic EDRA Department of Information Technology. Today's start 6th lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C. Syllabus is that there are total 5 units. Unit number 1 introduction to data structures, unit number 2 searching and sorting, unit number 3 stacks and queues, unit number 4 linked list, unit number 5 trees and graphs. Okay, we in previous lecture we start the unit number 1 introduction to data structures. In a unit number 1 introduction to data structure, there are 4 subpoints: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. There are studied in our unit number 1. Okay, in a previous lecture we learned the point, this 1.4 operations on data structures, and I given some homework on it. Hope all are completed it. In previous lectures, our syllabus of unit number 1, that is introduction on data structures, is completed, but some programs and questions asked on that first chapter, okay, that are learned today. Means today's lecture we see some programs on a array. Okay, one question is asked, that is, in your exam, write any 4 applications of data structures. We in our syllabus we learn the point needs of data structure, but question 1 is asked, that is write the 4 applications of data structure. Okay, applications means what? In which areas we use that data structure. That is, there are the applications of data structure. Means what? Their answer is array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph. Okay, means what? Our question is applications of data structure means what? In which area data structure are used. In which area used? In an array, in a linked list, in a stack, in a queue, in a tree, in a graph. In these applications using we data structure are used. In this through we are data are stored in a memory. So these are the applications of data structures. Okay, to clear that answer, only for asked the which are the applications, so only for list down. Okay, not any return, not any in detail return it. Okay, there some questions are asked in your exam. Okay, on a array, which are questions are asked? Write C program for performing following operations on array: insertion, display. And another question is arise, write a C program for deletion of an element from an array. Third question is asked, write a C program for creations of an elements from an array. Means what? In these 3 programs through ask the questions on a array we perform the on the array we perform the operations of creation, means we create the array. Insert means in a array any elements are inserted. Next, deletion means in a array any one elements are deleted. And display means this array are displayed. Okay, means these 4 operations are performed on array. Okay, using through programs that are see it in a next slide. In that, see the program, that is create. Now see the program, now see the 1 by 1 programs on array. Okay, this is the program of creation an element of an array. Okay, I am explain 1 by 1 line in this program. First of all, on this data structure using C subject, we use the editor, means software. Which are the software are used? Turbo C, okay, which are we already you are used in a previous semester for the C language, okay. This same software or this note Turbo C is used on this our course, that is subject data structure using C. Data structure using C means we use the C programs, we create the C program, but in that use the data structures program. In a previous semester you only for simple programs are done using through in a C language in using Turbo C. In that we use the multiple operations on that data structure. These are one by one C. Today's is simply know the program on array, how to in a array elements are create, display, delete or any insert the element, okay. Let's start the first program. In that you know already these two lines are include stdio.h and conio.h. It is these are the two header files, okay. Void main, it is the your main function, okay. In that int array of 20 and in, these are the variables, okay. There are the declare. Array 20 means maximum 20 elements are added in a array variable name of integer, because we declare the integer, okay. After that I and n, it is the taking the variable for calculation purpose. CLR SCR means your output window will be clear. Next, in there you are already know which are the input function, output functions, okay. Input functions is used for printf and output function for printf, sorry, input function for scanf and output function is for printf, okay. In that printf means display the sentence, which displays the sentence, display slash n means this is the display on a new line, okay. What is the how many elements of an of array you want, okay. Then means that means which how many numbers are in a array you want, okay. These are scan means this is the input, okay. %d, why %d is used? Because it is the data specified, okay. We declare the integer array, so they taken the %d. After that n variable we taking for how many elements are we are added in a array, so okay. Next printf, there are the display the simple message, slash n means new line, the %d elements of array means which how many numbers we are entered, that are numbers are there display, okay. In a n variable that store that number is displayed. After that for, okay, this is the loop we use. Why loop is used? Because we input the array elements. In a array we maximum 20 numbers are added, so we use the for loop. In that condition is that I is equal to 0 means 0 is initialization, I less than n means it there the test the condition, it is the increment operator, okay. After that scanf function means that array elements are inputted one by one up to our n elements are complete, okay. Means what? For example, we taking the n elements are 5 means we maximum 5 array are declared. Then this sentence means or function scanf functions are 5 times run, because we are 5 times we input the numbers, okay. After that printf means printf, in that this the array are they display the message, the array are which are the array are displayed, which are already we are inputted, that array are displayed, okay. We are input the 5 elements means you display the 5 elements, so it is the array, so we use the for loop. One things you might need, whenever you array are used, that time we for loop are used, because in a array only one element is not there. Array means it is the combination of more than one element, so we any operations are performed that one elements that are same in all elements, so our energy is saving, means what we are write down same step after that means one step we write down 5 times, that is decrease in this using the for loop. Okay, means using for loop we only for one sentence through we are displays. Okay, so there are the your displays the array elements. This is the simple program, means what in these programs only for you are asking to create the elements of an array, means they were complete, but which are the elements are create whenever you show that time to you are clear, so we use the display function. Okay, this is the program on creation of element in a array. Okay, it is the run that after that you checking. Okay, how to run? Okay, means we compile the program. Okay, compile it. Okay, success. After that run. These are the where menus we are already known: compile, run. Okay, how to save the file? Okay, F2 or save using to save the file. First we compile the program, after that run this program. Okay, how many elements of an array you want? For example, I want to 3 elements. After that the 3 elements of array, these 3 elements are entered. For example, I am enter the number 5, after that 6, after that 7. Then this answer is displayed 5, 6, 7. Okay, in that we use the /n that you displays one by one in a output screen. Okay, that are the first me save that file, after that compile, after that run. Which are the three elements, sorry, which are the 3 elements are added in a previous 5, 6, 7. You taking also in this output that in a resultant array, the array are 5. These are I want to 5 elements are in a new line. Then we are there the added /n is meaning is that they displayed in a new line. Okay, after that save that file. Okay, after that compile this file. Okay, enter. After that run this file. Okay, 3. Okay, for example 5, 6, 7, 5, 6. Okay, we got the answer. This is the output. In that we output only for creation, right? Question is only for creation an element of an array. Okay, in that we created the element, but these are using through display. We not know this is the program is correctly run. So we use the show function, that is known as the display function are used, means the printf function. Using printf function we display that element. That's way your questions is complete. Okay, this is a program for creation. Okay, create. We another is program in asking in your question, that is the write a program, insert an element and display these elements. Means what? We create the array and that array any positions we insert the new element. How to insert that element, and that shows that this is the our aim in this using this program. Clear that? Means what? In this program through we do the in a array any positions, that positions we number inserted and these are displayed. That are our aim. Okay, these programs also I am to run it. Okay, enter the number of array. For example, I am entered the 4 elements. Okay, enter the array with 4 elements. Which are the 4 elements are we entered? For example 7, 8, 9, 11 etc. Okay, next message is asked, enter the key value and its position, means which elements are added, that elements are entered, and its position means in which position we are added. Okay, for example, I am entered the 12 number and after that 1 2 3 4. Okay, I am entered the 5 space and after that 5, means in a fifth position we entered the 12 number. Okay, this like answer is we obtain the output. Okay, what is the we obtain the output? In a we are give the input 7 8 9 11. Okay, and fifth position we 12 the number is inserted. This is our output. Okay, in a program. Okay, std conio, these are the two header files we already known. Void main, this is the main function. After that int a of 10 x I n pos, these are the variables. In that a10 it is the array elements, maximum 10 elements are added. Okay, after that clear screen, printf. Okay, then the message is display, enter the number of array elements. Okay, these are inputted in using through scanf function. In this is the stored in a n variable. After that message is displayed, enter the array with percent elements, means what, which are the array elements are added. For example 4, then 4 elements are, okay, using through for loop these 4 elements are inputted using scanf function. Okay, percent d, after that ampersand a and a of I, means this is the array, so we are used. Okay, after that we already known these are the scanf function, this scanf function syntax, printf function syntax. In a scanf function syntax it is that they are the write the data specifier, after that we use the address operator, after that there are the variable names. Okay, so after that next message is displayed, printf in /n is used, so new line to display. This is the how many numbers are we entered, that times are run. Okay, for example we enter the 5 for n, so 5 times these are input the statement. Okay, after that printf, in a printf /n is new line, enter the key value and its position, this message is displayed. Okay, after that enter the key value, means which elements are added and its position. After that scanf means percent d, 2% why you use, because we input the 2, which are the first value, which value are added and and which positions are added, so we taking percent d. After that we we write ampersand x for value and pos for position. Okay, in that after we see the for loop. In that this is the condition statement, it is the initialization statement, it is the conditional statement, and after that increment decrement, there are the decrement are used. There I is equal to n. Okay, how many we are entered, that are assigned to I variable. In that check I greater than is equal to position is true, then it is true part is executed, otherwise your false part, means a of position -1 is equal to x is executed. After that display printf array element. Okay, it is only for message display using through printf function. After that these which are elements are added, that are total array are displayed using this printf function using their for loop. Why used? Because in that we use the array means number of elements, so use the for loop. Okay, after that in that we are already see the output. In that output, which are in a output we given the 4, n as a 4, means I is equal to 4. Okay, in that check I means your element is 4 and giving the position 4. Okay, then there the check 4 greater than is equal to 4. Okay, condition true. Sorry, I am told through using output through we are run this program, means in a when we see that output, okay, in that we given the n element is 3, means I is equal to 3. 3 is greater than is equal to position. For example, we giving the in position 4, then 3 is greater than 4 is the condition false. So in the there the execute the sentence, means position minus 1 means 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 is equal to x, means which are given the input that stored in that positions. Okay, position is your 4 minus 3 means 3, because array will be start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the last positions we are enter the element. Okay, after that this is the printf. This is already we study. Okay, this is the printf function. After that getch, using getch, what is the use of getch? This is the output function. This using through getch we return the value, means we display the value on the output screen. Okay, we already know that std, io, conio, that's all. Std means that the standard input output. Conio means it is the console input output. In a std standard input output, in that which are the functions are declare the definitions scanf and printf, which are we use in a program. And console, which are the console input output function, clear screen and getch. These two functions are definitions are added in this conio.h. These are the header files, means these are the header files. In they are the their definitions, their functions definitions are already stored in that header files. Okay, library function. So not errors are asked for these words. So okay, another method I'm to giving that, sorry, I'm to saying that one functions is there in a C language, that is in your keyboard F8. I'm to saying F8. Using through F8 we see the one by one line execution. Okay, I'm to showing that how it is possible. Okay, we click the F8 function. After that we clearly see that. Okay, in that enter the input. Okay, for example we giving the 3 number. Okay, enter. Okay, after F8 we enter the element 3 numbers which are we are given. For example 4, after that F8, after that 5, after that F8, after that 6, after that given enter key value and its position. For example, we added the 8th element after a 4th position. So okay, this is the central true part is not executed because our condition is false. So these are the executed. We get the output. Clear? In 4th position we 8 number is added. Another example we see that for example we given her 4 element. Clear that? Only for entered F8 key in your keyboard, using through we see the one by one execution. Okay, in that enter the position. For example, we enter the position, enter the value 2 and position, for example 2nd position or 3rd position. In a 3rd position we enter the value 2. Okay, just F8. In that condition is true, so this true part is executed. In a 3rd position, okay, we insert the element of an array. 2 is the element are inserted in your array. Okay, for 3rd position. Clear that point? Okay, this is the program for insert the element in a array. Another program we see that delete. Okay, this is also we run it. Okay, compile to that, run. Okay, enter number of and its element. For example, given 3, which are the element. Okay, enter the location where you wish to delete the element. Okay, means which locations we delete the number. For example, I am giving the 1. Okay, 1th position means fourth element are deleted in your array. Clear? This is the program. See that cd conv, these are the header files. Void main is the function. It is the array position c, and these are the variables. Okay, variable declaration. This is the clear screen. Output screen is clear. In that message is display enter number of elements in a array. These are inputted using scanf function through inputted %d. Okay, after that %n. Ampersand y used in a address and variable address. Their input are stored. So in a address operator use. Address operator means in a memory location we given one address. That address we value are stored. So there are the given the address operator. This is the points are clear in your previous lecture. Okay. After that another function means another message is displayed. Printf. Using printf we message is displayed is the enter %d elements means what which are the given the n elements that are, this is the display. Okay, means n variable. Okay, in n variable we are given the there is I'm through mouse I'm showing that. Okay, n element. For example, given the 3, then it the % is show that display the 3. Okay, after that for loop. Why we for loop is used? I'm again tell that for loop is used for only for the array are used. Array in a array collections or numbers are used. Okay, means one statement we write down again and again. So you this using for loop we reduce this sentence. Okay, means only for one sentence through we input the all elements of an array. Okay, c is equal to c is equal to 0 means c it is a given one variable that initialization 0 element. After that c is less than n. After that c plus plus increment operator. Okay, in that array of c means positions array are stored with 0 position. So 0 1 2 3 where values are stored 1 by 1. % is used because we given the integer number. Clear that? After that printf enter the location where you message is displayed enter the location where you wish to delete elements. Okay, in which positions we deleted that position numbers are entered. Okay, this is also integer, so taking that %d. After that there is the check position means in that if condition is used. Using if condition we check what is the check that position is greater than n plus 1. Okay, this is the true part means there is the used if else. Okay, in if else this is the true part, this is the false part. Okay, in a within the curly braces that is the false part is there. Okay, in that their position is greater than that n element. So then message is displayed deletion not possible. Okay, means what your array is 5 elements and we given the position 7 for deleted, then how it is possible? So their message is displayed deletion is not possible. Okay, when this condition is false then we run that c is equal to position minus n, c less than n minus 1. After the c plus plus. Okay, means in that is true, then executed array of c plus 1 are assigned to in a array of c. Okay, where which are the elements are given. After that resultant array is displayed. Okay, it is only for message display resultant array. After that, c is equal to 0, c less than is equal to n minus 1, because either the where n elements and we use the array this starting port 0, so n minus 1 c plus plus, and that array of c means that all elements are displayed using this printf function, and get cs through we are obtain the output. Okay, in that way checking that, for example, okay, we given the position 2. Okay, in your array is means your n elements is the 5. Okay, and after that 5 and given the position 2 means 2 position we elements are deleted. Okay, then position minus 1, for example position your 2 minus 1 1. Okay, 1 are assigned to c value, means your c's value is c is equal to 1. Okay, c means 1 is less than n minus 1, your n is the, for example 4, then 4 minus 1 3, means 1 less than 3 condition true. So we are executed this sentence. In that c plus 1 means the 2 c your we get there 1 plus 1 2. These are the array of 2, that value are stored the array of c, means automatically that position value is deleted. Okay, how it is show using this F8 key. Okay, I am once again told, using F8 key we see the one by one execution in your program. Okay, how it is possible? Okay, see that. Now see that F8. Clear the window. Enter number of elements in a array. For example, we given the enter n elements of 3. After that F8 scanf function. Okay, enter 3 elements. Which are the we are given 3 elements, that are, for example 4. After that 5. After that 6. Okay, after that enter the location where you want to delete element. For example, we delete the 2 element, means 5 number are deleted. Check it output. Okay, we got the output. In that second position means 5 elements are deleted. Okay, we one things, enter the location where we wish to delete element. These are giving the position 2, means 1 2 3, we are given the element 3, and that within the elements we given that number, so it is the run it. Okay, when we given the position is greater than n element, then how it is we get the output. Now see it, compile it, after that run it. Okay, for example we given the element 3. Okay, for example 6 7 8, and we enter the element, enter the location where we wish to delete the element. For example, I am given a 5, but your array is 3, then you obtain the output deletion not possible. Okay, how output is created? Your already array is only for 3 elements, and we given the 5th position we delete. How it is possible? Okay, so there the message is display deletion not possible, because your array is only for 3 elements, and how it is display the 5th position? 5th position is no any number, so there is the message display deletion is not possible. Clear that point? Means what? We show that. Okay, for example, given 3 element, and given as 5, means our elements is 3 and given location 5th. So only for if true pulse is X statement is run. In a previous example is not a run this example. Okay, Okay, see that in this using F8 key, this is the true parts is a not a executed, only false. This is the true part is executed. So it is the condition is true, then is true part is executed, condition is false, then is false part is executed. We know that examples. Okay, these are the three programs. Okay, these are the three programs. This is the array of three programs. Using we know the which are the three programs: creation and element of array. After that, insert the element of an array and displayed it, and also the deletion operation is performed, means delete the any element in that array. Using these three programs, I hope all are understanding this purpose. But after that, any arise your questions or any problem, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, now we see the now we any other or questions is arise, then we ask them. Okay, in a Turbo C, we see the three programs. Okay, which are the three programs? Write a C program for performing following operations on creation and display. After that, operation deletion. After that, creation. Okay, these are the we seen the three programs in a Turbo C. Okay, hope all are understanding. All are once again we use it, or we are give the program on on this our today's lecture through video, and we check it, means we do this program. Okay, summary of that our today's lecture is that in a lecture we seen that the applications of data structure. Okay, which are the applications? Means applications means in which areas we use the data structure. In which areas? Array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph, etc. Okay, after that we seen that C program to perform operations on array. Okay, in array we operations are performed. Which operations? Create. Okay, create means where any array are create. Insert means in a array, okay, any new elements are inserted. After that, deletion means what? In a array any one elements are deleted. After that, display means your array is displayed. Okay, these four operations are performed an array, that are we seen in using through that three programs. Okay, today's given the homework, this assignment number 1 continues that questions for the our previous lecture. Okay, up to 16 are complete. Now start next number, that is 17, means these are the 4 questions. Okay, these are the answers are given in your program, sorry, video. Write any 4 applications of data structure. After that we questions arise that 3 programs. Write a C program for performing following operations, that insertion and display. Write a C program for deletion of an element of an array. Write a C program for creation of an element from an array. Means these programs, 3 programs are seen that were in a today's lecture. So not any queries are arise, but also any queries arise, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, this is your homework, means your assignment 1. There are the total in a assignment number 1 there are the how many questions? Total 20 questions are given. I am already told that bring the 200 pages for the assignment purpose. In that notebook we write the that 20 questions answers. I am checking it. After that we are given the marks for term work. So not ignore this message, you complete that time to your assignment. So now how we studied that time, I am given each lecture 2 or 3 or 4 questions. So that are 4 questions that daily you are completed, then not any your burden or not any note that we are completed that assignment. So that daily we are complete your homework. Okay, here stop our today's lecture and also finish our syllabus of first chapter. Okay, next lecture will be taken one test on first chapter, that is first unit, introduction to on data structure, for 20 marks. So all are prepare it and best luck. Okay, and notes are referred up to today's all lectures, that is PPT of your videos. Okay, up to today's lectures all are completed our syllabus of first unit. Okay, unit introduction on data structure, they are complete, and also in a previous lectures are completed, but in today's lecture I am given some questions are arising in your board exam, that are the 3 programs and that one the question that are the important, so that prepare it. Okay, thank you. And in today's lecture any doubt created, then contact with me. Okay, once again thank you.